Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about which of the following is an enrichment medium. Enrichment medium is selenite F broth is an enrichment medium. This is enrichment medium for Salmonella and it is an enrichment medium for Shigella. Thank you. Agar concentrates in nutrient medium. The concentration of agar is 2%. Agar concentration in nutrient medium is 2%. Robert Koch's assistant advised him to use agar instead of gelatin because gelatin will melt at 25 degrees Celsius, so it becomes liquid. So if it is liquid, so at room temperature this gelatin will become liquid form, so this is not a good sign. So as a result, agar is used. Actually agar will melt at 42 degrees Celsius, so it remains in solid form at room temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius. So agar is preferred over the gelatin. Agar has more nutritive value? No, it has no nutritive value. Gelatin is easily available. Agar is not cheaper. Actually gelatin is cheaper and agar is also cheaper, but gelatin and agar both are cheaper. But here the usage of and agar is also cheaper, okay, but the usage of agar is because it gelatin melts at 25 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Robertson cooked meat broth is an example of anaerobic media and it is used for culture of anaerobic organisms like Clostridium. Thank you. Thank you and thank you for watching.